Hello, hello, hello. I'm checking if sound is good, everything is good on both platforms. All right, I guess it's all great. Just checking again Twitch. I guess it's all right. And YouTube also. But I'm gonna pause it for now. All right, for some reason, I see like YouTube. Am I online streaming or not on YouTube? I guess yes. I guess it's all great. Perfect. Okay, I can start or continue. I ended up with this zodiacs, and I actually need my phone to realize how close it is with my Android application, and probably I would need to make a lot of changes design wise today. Where's my horoscope? All right, here we go. Good, great. And also, where is my Figma? To open my Figma, but right now not balconies. Right now I need to open my designs. Just need to go through all of those tabs to realize which one. Aha, it is this one. Am I right? Am I right? It's a bit lagging. Yes, it's actually perfect. This is exactly what I want. And my designs are here. We're gonna try to stick to this design. And of course I need to test more. So, okay, change zodiac sign. I'm gonna check also, I don't know, let's take Cancer for today. Cancer. Can I change? I'm clicking and there's nothing happening. Okay, I'm gonna run again because I left it for night untouched. Okay, it changed, but Aries. Oh, but I don't have any feedback. Okay, I understand. So, Scorpio. All right, so actually it is working. But it's just I'm giving no any feedback for the user. So let's say if I now change to Libra. Oh, so many stuff. Haha, cursor. A lot of work for you. Okay. Hey. I'm back to work. Firstly, commit last changes. That's what we need to do, not to lose anything what we have. Trying to close here all the tabs. I have like 1 million tabs open. Really need to get rid of those. All right, just closed. So we get it. I need you to actually I already learned that after my streams I want to make stories on TikTok or Instagram, so I need to keep my input field very narrow, so afterwards it's gonna look on mobile very good. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I need you to on the settings, change zodiac sign. Once we switch / select zodiac sign, automatically throw user to the day prediction screen with the with zodiac that was for zodiac that was just now selected. Let's do this. Will you randomize the horoscope message for the users? Jeskercito, I am not randomizing it, but I can explain how I did it. So, yes, that's basically what I do. Basically, in here, let me show you. I'm gonna open. Here you can see all those files. I don't know if that's correct approach or not. Actually, I really think that there is no correct approach, but that's just the way how I did it. So in here I am generating predictions. This is like a little JSON files that contain predictions. You can see, for example, in here. Let me. Well, this is Ukrainian. I do application on Ukrainian and English languages, so that's why it is like you can see some Ukrainian parts of predictions. But for example, in here, right, this is a date, and for date I show like what is day is today, the sign, general description, work prediction, love prediction, and astrological context. So why I do it? I basically try to show to user what is a general prediction for today, what is awaiting for you in work / money, right, related part, love, and also like the real astrological context, like where are the planets are really located. And how I did this, how I created all of those files, right? They are going right per zodiac sign. So I just picked up ChatGPT and I say to ChatGPT, you need to generate for me a real horoscopes prediction. It's a mode on ChatGPT that actually is working like research mode or something. I don't remember exactly. And the task for ChatGPT was to consider the real planet position and generate for all 2026 and the last months, like it was like what leftover of this year, generate a real prediction. From what I saw, ChatGPT did, it's basically generated a number of phrases, like a big number of phrases, and according to the moon or like other planet positions, not only moon, like now it's here, it's moon, but there are several planets, right? He's composing the prediction for zodiac sign. So that's how it was generated, but it's not random, but it's kind of like, I think it's better than random. I cannot even say that this is probably correct approach, and I cannot say that this would be 100% truthful, because I just saw, right, like my very first thought is that if ChatGPT is just picking up and mixing around with phrases, like as I saw that they are doing it, like ChatGPT is doing it, I cannot say that it's a real horoscope or randomized, but it is something that has a background behind. So, hello from Canary Islands, Spain. Hola, hola, hola. Airam Padilla 88. Bienvenido a nuestro stream. Y madre mía, en Canary Islands puede ser que ahora es maravilloso, que hace tiempo mejor que en Barcelona, pero no puedo quejar como hace ahora en Barcelona porque es mejor que hace una semana cuando hacía un frío que te cagas. Sí. Interesting. Yeah, that's how I did. And now I am, I don't want to, if now I'm going to run the Android Studio and I will show what I had on Android Studio and how the application was working, it would be too much. But I actually can show you on Google Play, Zirka Daily Horoscope. This is how I called my application, Zirka Daily Horoscope, right? So you can see, let me show you maybe where I can show it. I don't know. That's pretty much where I was doing, like in here, you can see that I was playing around with databases. So this is the one that I uploaded last week on Google Play. So this is how it looked like. We had prediction, someone on my streams, I always repeat it because I really like it, say that this is neo-brutalism style in a way. So in my neo-brutalism style, I make a prediction and there are like different stuff like images. I have description of the zodiac sign. I have like compatibility, like on example, you can have Scorpio plus Pisces, notifications, and 2 languages. So that's now I need to adopt it. But what I did yesterday in my very, very quick stream is that I just like populated the data per day. So for example, if now I'm going to change the day, my data going to change accordingly to what I have in database. And by the end of the year 2026, my task would be changing and then adding and updating the database. So it would pick up my new database for 2027. That's my main goal. Good lenguaje, jeje. En Canarias, 25 grados. Muchas gracias por lenguaje. Yo vivo aquí 11 años, por eso puedo hablar. En Canarias, 25. Sí. Chicos, and maybe not chicos, chicas, whoever is watching, I always repeat it because I am streaming always simultaneously on Twitch and on YouTube. So if I'm switching between screens, most likely I just don't see some messages or stuff. So that's most likely how it can happen. Okay, let me see if ChatGPT or Cursor changed my... Now we need to polish it, to make it look beautiful, to make it look better, to make it closer to design. So now I need to change the zodiac sign. Where is it? Change zodiac sign. Leo, let's go to Leo. Let me check if I change it on my mobile. Like I have here Android application open. Leo, right? Let's see, lead. Yeah, it's actually working. Let me try again. Are we closing? Libra. I think it's quite good. Very, very nice. Very, very good. Good. Nice Spanish, muchas gracias. ¿Sabes montar SAS? Supongo que tú preguntas lo de cloud. No he hecho nada así. Sería más complicado. Todo lo que he hecho yo ahora mismo son cosas locales. Y justo antes de este stream tuve una conversación sobre ya metiendo cosas como de data y manteniendo database, base de datos en cloud. Pero es que es más complicado para mí porque siempre lleva por dentro pagos, ¿no? Es como que tú tienes que pagar por cloud, tú tienes que... no quiero pagar. Eso es como, no. Muy interesante la parte de GPT, de tu proyecto. Interesante. Nice Spanish. Muchas gracias. Sabes montar SaaS. Y yo siempre intento, este proyecto lo que hago es muy fácil y solamente quiero mostrar que la gente, porque yo trabajando en el sector de informática muchísimos años, creo que existe el problema que la gente, por ejemplo, que no es muy técnica, siempre tiene miedo de tocarlo, de cómo hacerlo. A la vez con esto, si tú hablas con programadores que somos gurús de sus cosas, es como tienes ahí problema que ellos hablan en un lenguaje que no van a entender la gente que a lo mejor que tiene unas ideas maravillosas, pero no saben montar o tienen miedo. Entonces, yo creo que con unas aplicaciones así fáciles, muchísimas ideas pueden tener la vida, pero la aplicación de Horoscope, claro, es muy obvia porque, yo no sé, hay un montón de aplicaciones de Horoscope Prediction que ya existen, pero la gente puede tener otras ideas que son maravillosas. Yo recuerdo que en 2014, cuando todo empezaba con las aplicaciones, cuando ya yo empezaba, era es que era un acto de terrorismo en realidad, porque era una aplicación que alguien creó que era como que tú tienes que saltar, tirar tu teléfono arriba y te calculaba como la altura, como más alto lanzaste tu móvil ahí. Y yo supongo la cantidad de la gente que iba quejando que se rompió su móvil por este juego, pero unas ideas así. Yo estoy segura que siempre existe algo como súper fácil y muy interesante, porque es como todo lo que es mega complicado no es necesario que es súper bueno. Sí, mucho tienes razón, pero de local a cloud son unas cuantas configuraciones, es verdad. Mejor usando un VPS y montas todo, el backend, la DB. Jeje, recuerdo con el Nokia. Con el Nokia, sí, ¿qué era? Con el Nokia puedes matar, ¿no? Alguien. Sí, era una aplicación así. Es como muy raro. Yo recuerdo esta y muchísimas otras, como de Pokémon Go, y todo esto era la temporada. No sé, 2014, 2015 es más o menos por ahí. Y es cuando yo entré en mundo de mobile. Y era mucho más fácil. Ahora es como que es muy interesante ver, ¿no? Era Material Design en 2014. Es como, wow, Material Design. Ahora todo esto de Glass Style. ¿Cómo se llama este nuevo? De iPhone. I don't know. Super cool glass transparent Geo Transformer style of iOS. No sé, tienen como nombres, siempre inventan nombres súper interesantes. Vale. Ahora, I'm switching back to English. What I want to do, I'm gonna pass this to my cursor. I'm gonna say, great, can you please now make this style for the main screen? It's a daily prediction. Daily prediction. And I need to pass the colors, like I'm gonna... Oops, why is it going outside of my screen? I'm gonna pass this color, I'm gonna literally, like, maybe now we need to really to learn how to make the prompts and other stuff. So I'm gonna say the green color is this. I'm passing the codes. Where's my Figma? Pink on a background is this. Pink on the background is this. Font is, why it's not Intel, it should be Rubik. Font is Rubik Mono 1. Font of title is Rubik Mono 1. It all should be already in project, because I will explain very, very briefly how I converted everything what I already had in Kotlin into Swift, which is just purely my invention. I never watch any tutorial or anything related to it. I had my project on Android Studio, and it was Kotlin. So I created a new project on Xcode with name and like developer or everything as needed. And I just created like a new project, empty application. And I copy pasted the whole copy of my Android Kotlin files into Xcode. Then I open Cursor, and I just said it yesterday. I streamed it all online, and I just say in Cursor, inside of my Xcode project, you can find this folder, which is Kotlin application. I need you to pick up my Kotlin application inside of my Xcode project, convert it into Swift, and make so this would be executable from my Xcode. Architecture-wise, it's probably a little disaster, but it's working. It's working. So, Astro Wandering Space. Why not develop the entire thing in React Native? There would be no hassle or writing code twice. It's a question that a lot of people asking me. There is no, it is an option. I just started like this. I developed something starting on Android, and then I just converted. It is an option, right? So, and this is horoscope application. I repeat again, it's not something like, not something that does not exist already in the market or something very complicated. It's just basically a text that I'm showing into screen. But it is an option, of course. Let me, what Mono 1 supposed to be, the Rubik Mono 1. All of those icons also should be, I don't know, I need to check. Probably yes. But let's start with this and see what Cursor gonna do. Let's see. So yeah, my idea is that it's very easy right now to create stuff, and you don't need to have 1 year of development for such kind of applications. It can be very, very easy. Let's see. There are always like Iram Padilla, thank you so much for subscription. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I am Sui Robert, thank you also so much for following me on Twitch. Thank you. All right, let's see again. What do we have? Like on Xcode, it's very hard for me. I published way more application on Android. So, okay, so I definitely can say that the font is not there, but let me see. It should be at some point assets. I need to go to, and I need to add all of this stuff to like as my assets. I see you have no font. I don't even know where I need to copy paste it. Where actually I can pass the font to Cursor. Mono Rubik font download. Let's see. Serán personalizados los mensajes, parecido a los mensajes de las galletas de la fortuna. Bueno, no son... ¿Tú hablas de horoscope prediction? No son exactamente personalizadas. Yo entiendo que ahora ChatGPT te puede generar, si hablas con él, si tienes cuenta, algo mucho más personalizado, pero son como... No son así, casi así, pero tiene algo por dentro. Ahí. Vale, yo aquí en segunda pantalla que tengo, estoy descargando el font. Aquí tengo el font, ¿dónde está? Downloads, Rubik Mono One, esto. Y aquí necesito esto. Paso aquí. No puedo adjuntar. I cannot attach this one in here. It should not be. Okay, well, whatever. All right. It doesn't matter to me. It should be probably here, like, just gonna do it. I just gonna do it like this. All right. So I have no idea, like, how to copy the full path from here. I don't know. I probably, well, I'm gonna just, maybe I can do like this. It's gonna work. Hey. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I need to get. Okay, so now I can say the font that you need to use for the title is in here. Should change it. And what do we have here more? So yeah, this title, like, there is a lot of freestyle. Actually, because I'm not iOS user, I don't even know how perfectly it should be done on iPhone. Is it like common for iPhones to have header in here, or it's like a bottom bar? I don't know. Let's try to see if it's managed to change something. Then I'm gonna Google actually. Is it common for iPhone apps to have headers? Yes, it's very common. Like, it take me to some images. I just check in on the second screen. So, all right. Well, I can do it somehow. I can adjust it somehow as I want to. Let's see. Nothing changed, like, really. Should I clean my project? Okay. You need to use this font that I passed. Maybe I need to use font. I need to add font as asset. Maybe that's what it's trying to tell me. Add the font up target. Okay. Wait. So this is what I have. Is it? It should be like assets or no? Should I add the font to assets? Just because I have no idea for Xcode. Actually, my cursor has all zero. I know you don't need. As a file, a bundle, which you already have, make sure it's included in the app target. Okay. If only I knew where is it. But it's here, no? It is. Is this one? Is this one? I think it is there. Yes. Okay, I need to, it is correct. Okay, my build settings, and what it says, go to build settings, fonts provided by application, is new fonts. Here should be fonts. There is nothing. Okay, let me see. Should be somewhere here. It's just not there. I just cannot find it. I probably need to Google this stuff. Da, 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 da. Let's see. I went directly to Apple Developer. Well, okay. All right. So it is. Da, 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 da. Aha. It's in here, and eventually gonna find it. Just he converted it, and I don't even see the stuff that I'm supposed to see. Is it? Am I get any kind of suggestions where to edit? So this is what I have. This is, I guess, I have it. So if I, okay, all right, whatever. I just have some pop up there. don't need this all. I don't need this all. Okay, shut up. I don't need it. I wanted to delete it. Okay, delete it. So what it says that this is target memberships, exactly as they say in here. And then, but I don't have it. It's asking cursor. Oops. Where is my info? Let's see. It should be like a database, this one stuff, right? So I cannot find it. Zirka, on the left, select Zirka Daily Horoscope. That's what I did. Build settings, font provided by application. But so that's exactly what I have. But somehow in build settings, just gonna Google it. Where I lost it. Xcode. Xcode. Okay, it should be customized. Custom iOS target properties. It should be in there. It's probably in here. But I should have like, no. That's it in here. Why is it setting as user defined? But even if I edit, like, that's not what I need to have, like, for sure. I guess it should be somewhere here. It should be fonts. Oh, yes, there it is. All right. And it should be, I'm going to ask, it should be what it should be. And it should say like probably Rubik, whatever is it. This one. Oops. Oh no. Come on. No, I change it. What was the name of it? This. All right. Found it. I got it. You saw it. It said iOS build target. Yes, yeah, I found it. Like, hey, cheer, how's the vibes? This is Kizia Dev. I know you already. Hello, very, very good. Hello, how are you? Sweet, how are you also? Hey, hi, everyone. I was just like, my not very big experience on Xcode application, so I'm struggling a bit with just to finding the proper configurations. But quite good. I'm very happy to explore and play around with all the stuff that I have right now. And yeah, but I have a feeling that I haven't done it yet, right? It should be in here. Where is I just added it. I just don't understand. What have I done? that's why fonts provided by application. Correct. And we want to have here, right? We want to have, but why is it? And that's what we need to paste there, our font. I'm doing good, thanks. I just woke up and it's like 3 p.m. So I'm not really sure. You're not really sure. Is it like 3 p.m.? You woke up at 3 p.m. What happened? Why? I would be upset if I would wake up at 3 p.m. I'm very good, especially that I got back to my yoga routines, and it feels like so much incredible. I had no opportunity on last month to do yoga, and majorly it's because I was struggling a lot to find teachers that I really would like to follow. And for yoga, I just, with time, I'm realizing how hard I would not be able to be a yoga teacher, I think, like, because I don't have this power inside of me to inspire other people. But like for yoga, for sports, maybe for balconies I can inspire other people, but not to wake up and say like inhale and exhale. So I was struggling to find my yoga routine back, and I was just like super happy. I've seen you every now and then in my feed. Been busy with my project, so haven't had time to tune in. Hola, Rafael Tortuga. Me gusta tu nombre, Rafael Tortuga. Maravilloso. Hola. Oh my God, it's a ninja. It's like you are from the Tortugas Ninja. There was a Rafael. Looks like you are hitting it hard with the streaming and content. Thank you so much. It's very interesting. I have no idea. I don't have exact plan. I'm just doing stuff, and I guess this is the secret to everything. I just do. I always say I just do. I was very, very happy as last week. It's a dream experience because I did an interview for local Catalan TV, and it's just like a dream for me, right? Like, especially the feeling that I do my balconies and someone is curious about it and I can share it and just explain why I do it. I was like, wow. And still, but I'm endlessly grateful for it. And it felt to me like wow. That's why I say that it's good with all development, but probably I would keep going with my balconies. For once, because I know that there are a lot of developers right now on my streams. The stuff that I did like some time ago, since I moved to Barcelona, I did this web page, and I'm just drawing balconies architecture, and I do it on Figma because I just have Figma for design, right, for application. But my favorite part that I did is basically, let me find something that for example, this one. Like, I drew this balcony, but I also want to show where in the Google Maps you can find it. So I here place a Google map, and if you drag and drop, typically, right, as on Google Map you do, here we go. You can see exactly where this stuff is located. And just because I was contacted by television and they did the interview to me, and I was like, wow, I was so worried. I was extremely worried. I was like, oh my God. Hola, I've seen you now then. How's the vibe? So vibes are good. That's so hype. Not sure if you want to say with this. Are you starting to build the app on iOS? I am doing, I'm trying to pass whatever I had on Kotlin before to my project on Xcode, but I basically did a very, very unknown stuff. I created an empty Xcode project, copy pasted inside the folder with my Android application, just Kotlin inside of that, and I open cursor and I say, look, you have this folder in my Xcode project. This is Kotlin. This is Android application. Convert this all to Swift and make it launchable from my Xcode. Cursor did some job, and this is basically what I have for now. Basic part is working because I can go to now I cannot go to settings. Maybe basic part is not working. Why I cannot click? Let me relaunch. Let me rerun the application. So basic part is working, but I need to work on design. I need to work on fonts, and because I'm not even user of iPhones, I'm struggling. I don't know how to properly do it. So that's what I do. I just noticed Twitch and YouTube display different screens. Really? Really? Let me check. It's got. Wait a second. It's probably stuck. No. Let me see. It's got stuck. It's very weird. Of course, I have totally different stuff. How is it possible? Tap. What is going on? Oh, thank you so much for saying. Let me see. Oh my God. Why is it? It got stuck. Yo, I am endlessly grateful for you to telling me this. How can I do it? It should be macOS screen capture. Okay, let me see. I gonna. It should be. Okay. All right. Now probably it is proper one. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna arrange it all. This is the wrong one. Okay. And I'm gonna move myself. Opa. Wow. Let me see if it's moving. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be good right now. Wow, it's so bad. So bad. Kuza Dev, thank you so much. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be good right now. But is it working or not? So bad. It's supposed to work. So bad. Let me check. My YouTube is lagging. I just entered to my own stream on YouTube. Well, I'm always watching and Twitch just to follow the chat, but I guess it's working. Oh my God. Yeah, cursor isn't so good with Swift. I got some resources. If you want, that can actually help cursor use Swift and the Apple documentation properly. Send me everything what you have. YouTube bad for discovery. Anyways, I don't know. As I say, I am. Send me everything. I don't know. Actually, YouTube bad for discovery. Here is it like invalid font file. That's actually what I can see. So this it's trying to get it, but I'm not. So I got disturbed, but now I'm gonna be back to my exploration of Xcode. The same as I did with 3D. Some people who follow me for a long time, they know that I did a lot of stuff on 3D, and just like even if I don't know, I'm just going and doing it, and that's all. And the result is the most important stuff. So let me see. I'm just going and doing it. Let me go back to cursor. And the result is the most important stuff. So yeah, it expect me to add this one. If you see it, okay. Let me just. So it should be in here, item 0 string, and I should just get the name of the font. I don't know. Okay, let me just. I'm gonna ask in the value. Gonna ask this cursor. I should just get the name of the font. I don't know. What should I in the value? Place in the value. All right. Hey, knew it. How is the compatibility page coming along? Compatibility page coming along. Compatibility page coming along. What do you mean? Hey, knew it. How is the compatibility page coming along? Okay. It's like I'm thinking about iOS, Kotlin, Swift compatibility. You're talking about zodiac signs compatibility. This is supposed to be this one. It's not working. The date compatibility will be added in the next iOS app iteration. That's what cursors say. My compatibility gonna be added. We're gonna do it eventually. Just as in Spanish we say poco a poco. Let's do it poco a poco. Wow, Kuzia, thank you so much for telling me that my schedule. It would be such a how long? I'm always streaming for 1 hour. So clean, very minimal. Because if your soul is pure, you're compatible with everyone. Right? What is it was also and today I'm remembering the 90s. 90s or after 90s. It was a application when you have an egg and you need to tap like 1,000,000 times on this egg to realize who is gonna came out. Like, it was cool. It was cool stuff. Maybe we should do it. Next project after the horoscope, we're gonna make an egg and we're gonna create some creatures, and you need to tap on it 1,000,000 times before it explode. No, like we're gonna do this kind of game. I love so much 3D, and my biggest problem is that I want to start. I need to open Unity and start to do this stuff because I can do so many things now. I'm free for it. So yes. So let me see what cursor say about the font. Okay, he says that I need to put exactly the value, so I put exactly the value. Ready, and let's go. We're building up again. Let's see, what do we have? Newit, how are you? Newit, I remember that you were doing 3D. How is 3D going? How is everything? Newit, how are you? Okay, it's working. It's perfect. It's working. All right, great. We have compatibility view, which is actually, you know what we need to do? Since I see that, look. We have compatibility. It's added actually translations. Let's check if our translations are working. So let me translate it Ukrainian. It's working perfect. And if I go in here, wow, it's perfect. It's working. So translation part is working. Say this exactly. Cursor in new chat. Look it up and add the Kim Soo-hee Apple Docs to the Once it's been added, you might have to restart cursor to get it work, and then you have to say use Apple Doc MCP before everything you ask cursor to do, so it gets the APIs directly from Apple's latest documentation. Going good. I will reread it after, and if I think it's good, I will do it. But I don't want now to restart the course. I just want to do small changes right now. Going good, thanks. Building headless blender things now. What headless blender? What is headless blender things? Share some stuff with us. Going good, thanks. Building. All right. So let's go to compatibility. Thank you. I see that compatibility screen contains if someone who is doing Xcode and Apple. I know that on Android Studio, everything what I was doing, I was placing SVG format of assets. But as I did Calm Loop, for example, on Xcode, I managed to only work with PNG or GPG. Is it like working? Like, can I use vector on Xcode? Do you want a new liquid glass design in your? I do. Of course, we can discuss. Actually, this is very interesting that everything now. I started the stream saying that you remember 2015, 2014, we were like so in shock of material design and stuff, but now we are all going like material and liquids and rocks and stuff. We're gonna do crystal egg. Not Swarovski egg, but Chervinsky egg. And we're gonna do the application when you need to tap it 1,000,000 times on crystal liquid egg, Chervinsky, to press on it, and then you're gonna get a crystal dragon out. Something like a crystal Xena, my cat out. That's what we're gonna have. I'm just inventing, but we started Swiss. We started the stream discussing this that how design is also changing. It's very, very interesting. Busy editing with Blender has iSets now. So freaking excited. What is this? I don't even know. What? Google. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Blender has iSets now. Okay. So freaking excited. What is I cannot even open new tab on my Chrome. Don't understand why. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Thank you. I see that compatibility screen contains nothing. I cannot even open new tab on my add a correct compatibility list for each zodiac sign as it was before on Kotlin. Thank you so much. Where is my okay, now I managed. Blender. It is on Kotlin. Thank you so much. Where is my okay, now I managed. Blender. It is it's Academy Color Encoding System. Look at the file called content view in Xcode and it'll give you the that's very good. Just a minute. Thank you so much. Swiss, where is it? Show me where is it. Look at the file called content view in Xcode and it'll give you find it. That's what I need. Exactly what you say. This one. Right? Am I right? It's loading. I guess I'm right. Thank you so much. It's very good. It's very great. And compatibility, well, I ask Cursor. Cursor is working on compatibility. Guys, I need to go very, very quickly to toilet. I will be back in 1 minute. Oh, Sultan Shindi, you you came in a very. It's not how you're supposed to present first moment on stream, but yeah. 1 minute. Hello everyone. I will be back in 1 minute. Just 1 second. It's not how you're supposed to present first moment on stream, but yeah. Hello everyone. I will be back in 1 minute. Just 1 second. I am back. She's working from bathroom. Okay, waiting. No, it's not. I'm not. Who told you this? Blender can legit do everything normally. Oh, sorry. No longer need Adobe After Effects or Premiere where Blender exists. Wow, it's I worked only once on After Effects, and it was faster for some reason than Blender for me, but it was more for 2D stuff, not for 3D. Guys, I did long time ago cartoon about Peperonia Guslik. Let me show you it if I can, because I see that my cat wants to show her face. The one who saw my interview, they noticed that my cat was #1 hero. Okay, so this is my cat, and she needs some attention. So now I cancel all of my activities and basically presenting my cat. Okay, so this is my cat. Okay, this is my cat, Xena, like a warrior princess. I hope you enjoying seeing her, and most likely she's gonna bite me now because she cannot stand even one 1 minute without biting me. Xen. Okay, that's the moment when she starts biting me. Or okay, also she's trying to lick me. Maybe she's friendly. Okay. Xena, please. Okay, that's the moment when she starts. Oh, Xena. No, that's a typical. It's like a program of my streams. Now she decided that I did something terrible to her, and she got offended and she left. I'd rather master Blender and had one tool plus. It also has various plugins. It's really a jack of all trades programs. I love Blender. Let me since we talk with Blender about Blender, let me show you what I did. Let me show you what I did long time ago. It was actually all streamed online, but I'm still proud, and that's why I like so much to do 3D stuff. So basically, let me open incognito mode. Oops, reject all. Okay, so let me show you. All right, I'm gonna make it like this. This is the first part. I'm gonna show you 2 parts of what I did. Let me put bigger screen. I hope you can see it and just listen. This is like this is my masterpiece. I love it. I just love it. So take a look. So this is the first part, and let's take a look on the second part. On the third part, I started to do other stuff. I never finished by Xena. No, please don't bite me. Directed by Xena, everything by Xena. Xena is everything. La 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 la. So those are videos on 3D that I did. I'm very, very proud of them. And yeah. Let me see. Let me see what correct. They have better video. Good thing but still for more people, each person should choose based on his use cases so he can make project faster and more advanced. I agree. I rather agree. Premiere Pro is specified for mostly video editing than magical effects and creativity. I never even used Premiere Pro. I don't even know what is this. It's higher resources need, and Xena is trying to. Xena, what are you doing? What do you want to do? Okay, I understand. That's pretty cool. Honestly, though, they're a little creepy. Okay, it's just like I understand it because when I just did it, I decided to show it to a kid, like from my family. I showed it to like a boy. I don't know. He was 5 years old, and he started to cry. And I was like, okay, like just don't cry. But basically, there is one kid who cried because of my cartoons. It's not what I planned to do, but yeah, can happen. Let's get back to my cursor. Not what I planned to. But it was very nice time. I missed it. This is why I say, if I could, I would do way more stuff on 3D, and I would try somehow to connect it with Unity. Maybe I need to. We can try to do next time, because the idea of liquid glass egg Chervinsky. Somehow to connect it with Unity. We're gonna do it. Maybe I will remember this after we finish the horoscope stuff. Idea of liquid glass egg Chervinsky. So what do we have? We have only Gemini compatibility. Can I click in here? Nothing happens. Let me try to build. I see, Swiss, that you say that I can see UI parts like this, but I want to build and to see it how it is on device. Nothing happens. Let me try to build. I see, Swiss, that you say that I can see UI parts like this, but I want to build and to see it how it is on device. Why? I cannot even click on it. Okay. Let's see. Where is my screens? I should have here some screenshots. There are all my data that I use. Here we go. So I need to. I actually didn't know until someone told me that we can put screenshots to cursor and cursor would understand. Okay. Actually didn't know until here is the example. Here's an example of the compatibility screen. Can you please make it like this? You have the data. Are we? I don't know. I need to check if we really have the data for it. Let me see. Make it like this. You have the data. Are we? I don't know. I need to check. My Xcode. So we have. Let me see. Horoscope, but it should be like compatibility stuff. I need to find where are those. Xcode. So we have. There are only predictions. Horoscope, but it should be like compatibility stuff. I need to find where compatibility data. It's not what I want. There are only predictions. Compatibility data is not what I want. Okay, let me open Android Studio. I want to see how it was. Okay, but I am. Let me open Android Studio. Just installed update. I think it's just because it's so annoying to use cursor to build iOS as because it isn't up to date with Apple's documentation and the new design system. If you want to use liquid glass in your app, you can only do it using the MCP server. Most of don't send. Most of where is my horoscope? This one. Where I left reading. Don't send. Most of Cursor's LLMs was last updated in 2024, but liquid glass and many more changes came out in 2025. It's true. Most of Cursor's LLMs was last updated in 2024, but liquid glass and many more changes came out in 2025. Right. It's don't need this whole stuff. I want to see where is our data. I need to have. I want to see where is it. Our data. I think it's just because the colors were too saturated and the lighting could be improved. Ah, you mean for the 3D? Could be, but like I loved it. I made it all on a base of my illustration, so I'm really happy. It's just because the colors were too saturated and the lighting could be improved. Ah, you mean for the 3D? Let's take a look. Like I loved it. I want to just see on my data. Have I like? What do we have here? This is a predictions. But where am I? Take a look. Don't remember where I was. Just see on my data. Where I like what you see here, right? It's because I was. This is a predictions. But where am I? You can see areas. I don't remember where I was. I was covering one part for 2026 and another part for. You can see areas. Like November, December, but. I was covering one part for 2026. So I forgot where I put. I forgot where I put the data about. Like November, December, but about my like compatibility stuff. It should be here. I forgot where I put. I forgot where I put the data about. About my. Right. This is more or less what I. It should be here. Right, this is more or less what I. Zodiac description, Kotlin. I just place it inside. So I understand. So we have. Yes, this is a huge file where I copy. Okay, So what does it mean for me? So I understand. So we have. So yeah, it didn't pick up any of those, and it was compatibility data. And so what does it mean for me? All right. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know how to do at least compatibility data and all the stuff that I want to. I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna pass to cursor exactly what cursor needs to add. For this, I need to have compatibility. I'm gonna pass to cursor exactly. I'm just gonna reveal and find. Reveal and finder. So I need compatibility and I need to have zodiac description. That's what I need, right? So we're gonna pass it. Where's my cursor? Reveal and finder. Here. So I need compatibility and right? No. Zodiac description. That's what I need, right? So we're gonna pass it. Here. This is what we don't need. I was generating my application. That's what I need. I lost between my screens. We're gonna go here. We don't need those, and we don't need those, and we're gonna pass just two Kotlin files in here. I lost between my screens. Larpman, hey there. How are you? Hello, Larpman. Just two Kotlin files in here. iOS us indeed. Larpman, hey there. How are you? But I'm not one to talk. I could never recreate Paperonia even if I tried. But you probably can make way more other cool stuff. So. But I'm not one to talk. It's interesting. Like, where is Newit? Are you still there? I am curious to. Maybe I should update my Blender and see what is new there. So. Here like, you can have my Kotlin files with the description. What is new there? So can you please? Here you can. I again gonna be very lazy. Gonna say, can you please make so it work? We will see what it's gonna do. But I feel like I need to quit my Android Studio, otherwise my computer gonna run super slow. Also considering that if I want, I always stream on YouTube and Twitch, and I always have to open, like you can see, I use Streamlabs and I use OBS. Also considering that because I don't want to pay subscription to be able to YouTube and Twitch to stream from different platforms from one tool, like two different platforms from one tool. It's been ages I have seen you leave. You see, it's very interesting, like, where have you been? Because Kuzia Dev was saying that I am doing quite often my streams, and you haven't seen them. Like, where have you been? Let's see what now because my cursor gonna do. Dev was saying that I am doing quite often my now streams, it's always happened like this to me, that I during the streams I create more ideas what I need to do. It's like it's a creative process. So we will do with the liquid glass and stuff. We're gonna do liquid liquid glass egg. Creative process. So I don't know what my cat. I can make you a picture of what my cat is doing. You're gonna understand what I see. Like this is what I see right now. I don't know what my cat. I can make. I don't know if you can see it. My cat is doing. You're gonna understand what I see. You see? This is how she see. Like she just like I don't know what is that. Right now. My cat. I don't know if you can see it. Gemini 3 Pro and Sonnet 5.4.5 are relatively good for iOS apps. I never tried those. Okay, let's run. Let's run. Let's see what do we have. Larpman, I don't remember actually what you were doing. But we kind of have already a mix of developers, artists, 3D artists in my stream. Let's see. What do we have? Liquid glass is actually pretty easy in Figma. Oh, really? It's literally built in as an effect, but translating it over the web is a completely different story. I last week spoke with one girl. She was presenting something on Figma. She said that I have no idea, but she said that in Figma it's very hard to show liquid glass on Figma. But I have no idea. Like I probably, if you ask me how to show liquid transparent glass, I'm gonna work with transparency or like opacity. Applied liquid glass on Figma is on their design resources. Okay, probably if you ask me how to show liquid transparent glass, I'm gonna work with transparency. Hi, I'm from Peru, a system engineer student. Which language model do you use for vibe coding? Joan Kinalisi 6476 cannot do anything with me. We always use like I read all usernames. Always it sounds very weird, but from Peru, it's amazing and very welcome in here. And I use actually I use like cursor majorly. You can see her here, GPT 5.1, and for database generation, database like for my JSON with horoscope predictions, I just like talk to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to send me back JSON files. That's pretty much how I did it. But very welcome. It's so cool from Peru. Actually, who wrote me? Swiss. I missed you. Now I realize that I asked you why you woke up at 3 p.m. and I now remember. Where is your answer about why you woke up at 3 p.m.? Actually, yeah, cursor no. So I'm not doing it. My sleep schedule has been terrible lately. I don't even have one. I just sleep whenever I'm tired. Yeah, cursor no. I understand. So well, I'm not doing my sleep schedule has been I am very I don't even have one. Democratic in this aspect. So if you want to sleep. I don't know. I don't like this approach that people who say that if you only wake up early, it's the only way to success or stuff like this. I don't believe it. People different, so they can sleep when they want. My username used to Amore Hardcore. And back then I joined your stream quite Amore Hardcore. Of course I remember you. Do you like Espresso por favor song? Like I cannot ask it. Do you know this song from Eurovision or stuff? Do you like Espresso por favor song? All right. Let me see if we have it. I cannot don't have anything. Ask it. It's like why? Know this song from Eurovision or stuff? Sorry. Right. Let me see. My job is to talk. Your job is to work. It's like why? No. There is no list for zodiac. Compatibility at all. Please fix it. And I'm gonna describe how it should be. Once user click on the heart icon, he should see the list of the zodiac signs, like if I am which zodiac sign I am, it's Libra. If I am a Libra, I should see a list like Libra plus Scorpio, Libra plus Libra, Xena is pushing my camera, Libra plus Leo, etc. And once user, not you, user, click on one of the pair of zodiac sign, we should see a compatibility text as the one that I shared with you on the you previously. Just like this. Let's see what it's gonna do. Sometimes I use cursor for 15 hours a day and I don't get tired, but sometimes it's just a few hours and I feel like I'm falling asleep. Oh, just designed this graphic morphic button. I forbid to add links. Let me show you Discord, and maybe you can add it to the Discord. Where is it? Oh, I got. And I see that people again. When the Skull shared something super cool. Where? In November, on September 25. It's amazing. I missed it. Okay, let me, in general, how can I invite you guys here? On November 24, very, very recently. Okay, how can I invite? I'm super, in Spanish it's called Torpe. Invite to channel. I need to copy the link. Okay, there is an invitation. So Kuzia Dev, if you want, you can, in this Discord, you can share, and I'm gonna open and check. And also for YouTube, I will share in here. If you want, you probably can see that there is a mustache on the top of my screen in here. Like see, Xena. And also for YouTube, Xena. You're gonna see now a little bit. Can you see mustache? You can see a bit slightly, right? Like it's in here. On the top of my screen in here. Like Xena. What can I do? What can I do? So it should be very cool, no? Design morphic button. Actually, it's the last day of November. I just right now realized it. It's a bit sad. I don't know. Okay. So the cursor say that it's the last day of did something. Let's see if it's true or not. I don't know. Okay. So the cursor say that it's did something. Let's see if it's true. It's not. Maybe it's just because of translations, but oh no. It's not. Maybe it's just because of translations. Where is my so that I revealed it? It should be compatibility screen. So no. Where is my God. I had here Sublime text open. Okay, all right. So oh my God. Just want to see it. So it should work. And actually I have, yeah, I have it. These are all possible pairs in two languages. So what is that ChatGPT is not understanding? I don't know. These are all possible pairs. Oh, not ChatGPT, Cursor. Where is it? It's in here. So all right, we need to explain even better. So let's do it. So once a user click on the heart icon, we should show the list of buttons like on the screenshot, and once a user click on one of the pair of zodiac signs, we need to open a new pop-up and populate the description of compatibility. Please use the Kotlin file as an example from and from there you can pick up the descriptions of the compatibility. Please. Where and I don't pass Kotlin file, I need to pass it. All right. Do you have you tried plan mode in Cursor? It's very good. You just have to press Shift Tab and switch to plan mode. In the chat, it gives you a plan, and if you like the plan built-in, normally it gives me like sometimes, not normally. Sometimes it gives me like a checkbox of what it's gonna do. I can try it. I can. Gives me like. Sometimes, not always. Already need coffee. Like checkbox of what it's gonna do. I can try it. I can. Let me see. I'm just checking also my streams sometimes if everything is good or not. Because sometimes, like what today happened, that for some reason my OBS was just showing a frozen screen. It's just so weird. Okay, let's see. Because sometimes, like what today happened, I don't believe that now it's going to be fixed because it was too easy. Frozen screen, it's just so weird. Okay, let's see. Like, no. Okay, maybe it's trying around, but like, no. All right, okay. We're gonna. It didn't change anything. Exactly, yeah. Now the compatibility flow on iOS matches you describe. Heart icon, list of pairs. Tapping on the heart opens compatibility with. Now shows the vertical list of black buttons. It's not showing. Okay, I before matches you describe. Heart icon, list of pairs. Can I clean? Is it like a clean project like on Android Studio in here? Vertical list of black buttons. It's not showing. Okay, before simulator product. Can I clean? Is it like a clean? Can I clean build folder? You can do at least this. I'm gonna try one more time, but it's not gonna change anything, and we're gonna just say, "Hey, change it." Hey Cheer, nice to meet you. I'm here, new software development student from Colombia. Oh my God, and Peru and Colombia. Thank you so much. Hello, very, very welcome. Very, very nice to meet you on my vibe coding stream to clean from the K to clean. I will do it next time, but we already launched. So no, there is nothing. So to clean this I will do it literally showing me an empty screen. So there are no buttons. So very welcome. I'm very, very happy to to see new people here. And you always say, like last week, it was someone. I don't remember from which country, but someone joined and also like, oh, I'm a student. I'm learning on software development, and it was very interesting conversation to realize how now the artificial intelligence is gonna change the whole studying process and how it's gonna influence. Very interesting. All right, one more time. I actually need to commit my stuff. We changed quite a lot. It's time to commit. Once we fix this stuff, we're gonna commit and one more time. I don't know. Like, what am I doing wrong? It's time to commit. Once we fix this stuff, we're gonna commit. Let me carefully read. Locate the JSON file in Funder. I don't know. Do this to fix. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Okay. So let me carefully read. Locate the JSON file in Funder. Do this to fix. Okay. I have it. All right. I have it. Okay. So it is part of Xcode. Make sure it's part of Xcode. I have it. All right. I have it. It is part of Xcode. Make sure it's part of Xcode. But where are descriptions? It's not what I want. It's how is it JSON file appeared? But where are descriptions? It's not what I want. It's how is it JSON file appeared? What is this? Crafting kind of dependable through. Okay, well, make sure. But it is part. Crafting kind of dependable through. Okay, well, I do it like this. Make sure. But it is part. Xcode project, it is part, like, right? It's under horoscope, zodiac, data. It is in there. Xcode project, it is part, like, right? It's under horoscope, zodiac. Or not? Data. It is in there. Where is it? It says horoscope, Zirka daily, horoscope. Or not? Compatibility JSON. Where is it? It says horoscope, Zirka daily, horoscope, compatibility JSON. It's quite good at coding Sonnet. Yes. Let me see. Quite good at coding Sonnet. Yes. Let me see. Zirka daily horoscope. So basically this is this one. Zirka daily horoscope. Zirka daily horoscope. So basically this is this one. It's Zirka in here. It's in here. Okay, now I found it. I was not looking, could not even find it. Like was ignoring this part. All right, so if I have here, it's in here. Okay, this part in here, compatibility. Was not looking, could not even find it. Like now this part. All right. What cursor telling me? If you don't see it, I see it. In here, compatibility. But actually, what cursor telling me? This is zodiac data. If you don't see it, I see. Maybe I should move it in here. But actually, this is zodiac data. Just saying, just move the file. Just trying. I don't know. Just saying. Didn't crash. Didn't made any error. And nothing changed. Okay. Open as. No. Open. Didn't crash. Didn't made any show in Finder. All right. And nothing changed. Okay. No, open. Gonna do it like this. Show and find it. All right. My compatibility. Gonna do it like this. File is located in here. Clean run. Drag compatibility. The compatibility open. File is that not right? Maybe I just moved it wrongly. Drag compatibility. The compatibility open. Larpman, do you also still make those balconies? Yes, I do balconies. Actually, Larpman, I was just saying that I was thrilled and extremely happy this week because I got contacted by local Catalan television and they made like short video of interview about my balconies and how I do the project and why I do it and like all for real, right? With real people talking to me, making an interview with camera and stuff, and like, wow, I was amazed. And eventually it came on TV, and I saw myself on TV, and I sent it to everyone, and I was like, wow, I'm so happy, I'm so amazed. And that's why today, even on my Instagram, I posted that I need to find even more time now because I feel like people reacted on it, right? So I would love to do it more, but at the same time it's a part of me to do the coding part, so it's gonna be also those. So yeah, but balconies are there, of course. So what do we say? Yes, the file system path is correct. Oh, Swishy, we're just saying. Look, I'm falling asleep. Balconies are there because of course. The file system is correct. Oh, what still matters, and it's probably you see as empty screen, is Zodiac data must be edited as a blue folder reference. What still matters, and it's probably you see as empty screen. Yeah, but it is. Must be edited as a blue folder reference. No, yeah, let me see. Yeah, but it is. Oh, no. I'm so bad with interfaces. Is it like... No, yeah, let me see. How to open... Oh, no. I'm so bad with... Cheers. Is it like... Cheer is next up. You put... Oh, thank you so much. Cheer is next up. Thank you, guys. Cheers. Let me... Oh my God, I'm... Xena is running somewhere. She wanted again to be part of stream. That's oh my God, I'm something that I cannot control. She just decides. Yeah, you showed yourself and now it's done. Again to be part of stream. Don't. She's disturbing me. No. Something that I cannot control. Yeah, you showed yourself and now it's typical. It's just essential parts of my streamings. I guess it's an American saying. It's like saying you're about to get a lot of recognition. Yeah, thank you. I don't know. Yeah, I with American stuff, break the leg. Saying it's like saying you're about to get a lot of recognition. It took me a lot of time to understand it. Like with American stuff, break the leg. So I need to clean it, but compatibility map target. How to open this stuff? This in here. It is. So it is in my app target. Compatibility map target. How to open this stuff? What still matters, and probably you this is I have compatibility must be. It is in my app target. It is checked. So now I need to clean, but I cleaned already. What still matters, and probably you this is I have compatibility must be. It is checked. So now I don't know what's wrong. I don't know why it's not working. It's quite annoying. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, hey. Yeah, this was my cat. Quite annoying. Even when I was doing this interview, Xena just sat in front of a camera and she was like, just gonna be there.
This was my cat.
Yeah. even when I was doing
So
this
I
interview,
probably
Xena
moved it
just sat in front of the camera
wrongly
and she was
somehow
like,
into horoscope, but we
gonna
have
be there
this
like
zodiac
this,
data.
so
I'm gonna move it back.
yeah.
I'm gonna say,
I probably
I'm gonna ask a question. Do you see
somehow into horoscope, but
that we
this
have
zodiac data, I'm
two
gonna move it back.
folders of zodiac data? Because
I'm gonna say,
Cursor created these
I'm
two
gonna
folders of
ask a
zodiac
question.
data.
Do you see
I know it.
that we have two folders of zodiac data? Because
Unbelievable.
Cursor created these two folders of zodiac data. I know it.
Have two comments on YouTube. I just got, just can see notification. Let me check.
two comments on YouTube. I just got.
Excellent streams.
Let me check.
Thank you so much. All right. Come on.
Excellent streams. Thank you so much.
I actually don't like vibe coding.
All
It
right.
messes me up. In which sense it mess you up? Like, I mean, I
actually
I don't know.
like vibe coding.
Like, because I
Messes me
am,
in which sense
I
it
would
mess you
do
up?
if I would
Like,
not
I mean,
need to
I-
vibe code it. I
I,
don't know if I
uh,
would be able to do this stuff that now I can vibe code. So for me, it's
I
like
don't know.
accelerator.
Because
tool. I
I
am
would do if I would
like,
need to vibe code it. I don't know if I would be able
cannot
to
live
do
without it.
that now I can vibe code. So
Don't
for me,
worry
it's
for
like
me. I'm
accelerator
kidding.
tool.
I'm not worried for you.
I am
Should I?
like
cannot live
you
without
mean
it
that
because it messes you up?
don't worry.
No,
for
I
me.
understand that
Kidding.
you don't.
I'm not worried.
You
for
don't mean in a very negative sense.
Should I?
What it
You
says?
mean that because it messes you up? No, I understand that you don't. You don't mean in a very negative sense. What it says?
Okay. So cursor, it's all done, but buttons are not appearing. Why? Now I'm asking question. I should not have asked question. I should just say fix it.
Okay,
That's all.
So cursor, it's all
But let's see.
done,
I'm probably missing some
but
stuff.
buttons
I would say there is exactly vibe coding because they're still checking the quality. There are exactly vibe. I wouldn't say there are exactly vibe coding.
Now I'm asking.
Oh no, wait.
I should not
A
have
lot of
asked
the
question.
engineers
I
are
should
using
just
AI
say
code,
fix.
so it's not just for beginners anymore. I wouldn't say they are exactly vibe coding because they're still checking the. Of course, yeah, exactly. But they're leaning on AI pretty heavily to write 90% of the code. Of course, yeah. I totally understand, and I agree with this.
Not just for beginners anymore.
You have GitHub. I want to follow your work closer. I have actually 2 accounts, and none of the you wouldn't be able to because all of my repos are private. I keep them private.
I agree with this.
Yeah, maybe you will find info repository for info like terms and conditions stuff that I need to keep public.
You wouldn't be able
But
to because
yeah,
all
you're
of
not the
my
first one
repos
who asked.
are
I
private.
keep them private.
I keep them private.
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
maybe you will
about
find
the
info
vibe coding, of course,
repository
if
for
you're
info,
like professional developer, you need to
keep
like
public.
it's for code reviews stuff. Like
you're not the first one who
you
asked.
you don't want to give for code review the code that I do right now in
wouldn't
here,
say
right?
that- Yeah, so about
But,
vibe coding, of course. If
But it is
you're,
an
like,
accelerator.
professional-
Like what
professional
can you
developer,
do with
need
this?
to, like,
It is for sure.
it's
What
for
given
code
your
reviews
layout
stuff,
disk
like
Zirka la 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 la
you don't
code.
want to
Da, da, da.
for code review.
For that to work, check
code that I
one
do
last
right
thing
now
in
here,
the
right?
project navigator
But,
Zirka Swift.
but
You
it
must
is
see
an
the,
accelerator. Like what can
compatibility
you do
in
with this?
okay
It is for sure. What given your layout
under
is
same group that contains Zirka daily
la,
horoscope
code,
app
da, da.
Swift.
for that to work, check one last thing in the project navigator Zirka Swift. You must see the
It should be
compatibility in
this one.
under same group that contains Zirka daily horoscope app Swift.
You must zodiac data as a blue folder with compatibility. So under this one, but I do have. It is. This one? It is. You must zodiac data as a blue folder with compatibility. So under this one, but I do have. It is. It is. Yeah, they are under the same, but I don't understand why it's not working. Yeah, they are under the same, but I don't understand why it's not working. Should I give a totally new file? And should I give a totally new file? And let me. This one? Do we have targets for this? This one? This target membership is all right. It's no problem. Let me. This is very weird. This one? Do we have targets for this? This one? This target membership is all right. It's no problem. This is very weird. You can actually see yourself that the file is in here. And you can actually was Zirka Daily Horoscope up. The file is in here. Is and in here. It was Zirka Daily Horoscope up. No. Is in here. In here. And the target for compatibility JSON is correct, and the folder is blue. So please fix it if needed. Just create from zero these buttons. Fix it with horoscope signs and populate inside the compatibility description once user will click on any of these buttons. Let's see. Once user will click on any of these buttons. Let's see. Cursor. The same about the description. We didn't have any description. Compatibility. Well, at least something we managed to do today, but I expected this to be like faster in a way. Same about the description. We didn't have any description. Well, at least my cat is sitting next to me and staring on the camera. On the camera, not on camera, on me. Yes, developers rely a lot right now. Staring on the camera. Kuzedev, will you share? Yeah, you actually shared. I just now opened the liquid glass. This one. Kuzedev, will you share? It's very interesting. And how you did it? Just now opened. Like let me know. Like, can I share it for everyone, or it's something that I should not show? Like the ones that you shared on. And how you did it? On Discord. Like let me know. Like, can I share it for everyone, or it's something that I should not show? Like the ones that you shared on. Let's see what is Cursor saying. Let me see. Next step. Build and test. No trust.
What is Let me see. Look in the bottom right, you can see the effect. Only if you sign an NDA, you can show. Okay, then I'm not showing. Look in the bottom right, you can see it's actually vice versa. If I sign NDA, I should not show. Why are you saying this? If I sign NDA, I should not show. Well, it's actually vice versa. If I sign NDA. Oh, yes. Finally. Okay. Germany and areas compatibility. What are you gonna do now? Let me check my application, the one that I have on Android. So I'm gonna switch my zodiac sign to Gemini, compatibility screen, and we're gonna look for areas. Ideas meet action, witty, fast, and fun. Just I speak 4 languages at least, and fifth half, so it's all right. Strengths, spontaneity, right? Is the same. Lively talks, quick problem solving, it's correct. Frictions, scattered plans, correct. Impulsive decisions, correct. I'm just kidding, I don't care. Yeah, I know that you're kidding. I will show now. I will finish now this stuff. We're gonna tell to cursor to commit these magical changes that it was not able to do. And actually, there were no problem with database, this JSON, not database, but this compatibility JSON data that he needed to use. But it was, I don't know what it was. Tips: anchor one weekly plan, use shared notes for follow through, count to 10 before saying yes. All right, this is actually very good, very nice. Again, very clean design. So yeah, this is actually what I see. This is a Kuzya liquid glass, and it's look cool, but is that like? So what you did? You here have glass, light. This is not just. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is not just like transparent layer with blur. No, it's literally like you put some light. Correct me if I'm wrong. Dispersion, frost, refraction. And what about Android? Can you do it nothing on like this on Android? Well, this looks very, very cool. So now I showed. Now I can sign in the. But it looks really cool. But from the first glance, it makes like an effect that is going like the button is like. But it looks like, really cool. Like this, like this. From the first, it's what I from the first glance, it makes like an effect that is going like the button is like this. Like why you hear twice? Is that echo? Am I frost? Like refraction. And what about Android? Can you do it nothing on like this on Android? Ah, yeah. Actually, it is. Let me check. Plug should be fixed now. I know why. Let me. I know how to fix it. But it looks really cool. But from the first glance, it makes like an effect that is going like the button is like. But it looks really cool. Like this, like. It's because it's recording my microphone and also microphone from the screen, because I added a new screen. Oh my god, my YouTube today got why you hear how to change it. That echo. Am I frost like refraction? And what about Android? Can you do it nothing on like this on Android? Ah, yeah. Actually, it is. All right. Oh my god. Who said this? John Smith. John Smith, and it was Kuzya and John Smith. You are my saviors today. Let's see if it's fixed. La la la. My OBS studio is betrayed me today. Yo también hablo español, sí. Yo hablo español. Y parlo català. Y com diu que parlo inglés, ucraïnès, ruso, español, castellà, i català. Però català parlo amb vergonya i no puc parlar lliure. Parlo gent i amb molta por. Well, I don't know if there are any Catalan people watching. So I'm just saying that I also slowly can speak Catalan with fear. Okay, so let me check. Is it all right? Okay, it's fixed now. Oh my god. Where is it? John Smith, and you saved me so much, because I got my laptop microphone and this microphone on, because I added like a new OBS stuff in the beginning of the stream, and it was like, that's how it all went very bad. Yes, all right, but now it's fixed. Thank you so much. I'm very happy about it now. All right, yes, now great. Let me go back. What do we have? Compatibility is ready. Great, Aquarius. And now wait, before we move to next stuff, we're going to check if it's also working on Ukrainian. Of course, this is not translated, and this, but this is like, I'm gonna check it now. So if I change, this one is Gemini and Capricorn. I'm gonna change now to Ukrainian on Android, and I will see if it's Capricorn. No, there is a bug. This is bugs, right? So it's not translated. Okay, that's what we're gonna fix. Echo happens only on YouTube. Yeah, it was only on YouTube. It's because I you remember, Kuzia, you told me like on your screen is frozen. So I used this OBS stuff. I added another screen, and when you add another screen, it automatically make the mic of the screen as on. So it's a bit of a shame that I had echoing stuff during the whole YouTube streaming, but what can you do? What can you do? That's what we already have. I hope people can forgive. And on Twitch, nothing, because I sincerely like more Streamlabs more than OBS, because OBS, like, why if you see that I already have mic connected, like, why would you need to add any stuff in there? Xena is back. Xena, come on. Okay, Xena. No, where are you going? No. If you're already trying to okay. I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, we need to fix the translation. I see that it's not translated for Ukrainian. Can you fix it, please? All right. Yep, nice slide. Diffraction effect going on. I'm big UI design. So those things make me happy. This is very important. I actually agree with you. And as much as we have the artificial intelligence, I really feel like it's harder and harder to make a beautiful design, like really. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if we do have a fix for, Xen is coming again here. Xen, now she changed her mind. Now we're gonna see if this fix for Ukrainian is ready, and then I probably gonna end the stream. I have 2 new followers right now on Instagram. Thank you so much. So I would need to finish the stream because it's gonna be 2 hours since I'm streaming, and I try not to get very tired, because I have this kind of a problem that I can work extra, and then eventually if I'm very tired, my productivity is dropping down super bad, and I'm like we need rest. So I don't want to do longer, even though that I could now, but I really don't want to. Again, I'm really sorry for YouTube echo. It's very bad. I'm quite upset, but I don't remember who was this, who said this.
Yeah, now I don't remember. It was someone else. Yeah, John Smith. John Smith, thank you so much. And Kuzadev, like amazing. All right, so 2 hours exactly. I'm running last time for this stream my application, and we're gonna summarize what we managed to do. And we will see this Ukrainian is working, compatibility. This is not translated. This is translated. I'm gonna finish it. So you see this screen. So the buttons are not translated. Work. That's what it should do. Meanwhile, it's working. I actually gonna go to stream manager, and gonna see to whom I can raid you. Okay. Making game engine cross-platform with Raylib, picking a new code editor. Let me take a look. Who is this? I actually, last time I raided to someone, and then I regretted. Like there are some, just for the level of, like I raided like quite randomly, and I saw that the person to whom I raided, it was like so rude. I was like, I cannot. So now I'm gonna firstly listen a bit. Who are those people to whom I'm gonna raid? Because no way I'm. Okay, what do we have here? All right. Okay. I think I found someone really cool. Really like. Before I gonna raid you, let's see if Cursor managed to translate my stuff. All right. I just joined to the stream of this guy to whom I'm gonna raid you now, and he's like, I hate Linux. Okay. Now I'm gonna raid you probably to some drama happening. So compatibility, it's working. Okay, so commit these changes, and now I'm gonna raid you some D1 Ferrari. Let's see. So everyone, thank you so much for joining and be with me. I'm really appreciating it so much, and see you very, very soon. Thank you for your time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We're gonna proceed. We are gonna proceed most likely next weekend. Mwah. See you. Bye, bye, bye. And now the same goes for YouTube, guys. So for YouTube, I don't know how to rate on YouTube, so I'm just gonna say bye-bye to everyone, and we're gonna finish the stream. And thank you for being with me. We're gonna continue next week, as I said, just on Twitch, but I'm just gonna repeat. Bye, bye, bye.